Readers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Juliana. So glad you guys clicked on this video. It's great to have you here. Make sure to subscribe down below and like this video, as well as turn that bell notification on so that every time I upload a new video, you guys know. Look at my little chicken nugget over there. Anyway, so today I'm going to be doing a book vlog. It is currently 7:52 p.m. So I lit a candle, I set the vibe and everything. I'm going to get something to drink, but I quickly wanted to do a quick little Books A Million haul because I went to Books A Million today and I got a new book and a notebook. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. I really like this notebook. It's just a lined college roll notebook, I'm assuming, because it's really thin lined. So then the book that I got was the first book of the Infernal Devices series, and this is Clockwork Angel. I've really been interested in reading this book. I watched Haley Pham read this book and she said it was really good. Apparently the binds create a whole picture, and there's 14 books in the series, so all the books actually create like a big like poster picture, whatever you want to call it. I wanted to share with you guys this like really cute notebook that I got. This is also a Haley Pham recommendation. Have I noticed or told you guys that I've been obsessed with Haley Pham book vlogs? And look, she's amazing. But she recommended these notebooks. They're actually bullet journals and they're really nice. This is like a cloth journal and I got it from Urban Outfitters online. I'll link the journal down below in case you want to get it for yourself. They have different prints and they have different patterns. I'm definitely gonna get more. So the dealio for tonight is I am going to finish my very last assignment for week 3 of my fall semester of college in my senior year. I'm going to finish my assignment. I have one assignment left for small business management, and that's literally all I have to do. And then tomorrow, which is Sunday, I will be literally spending the entire day just resting. I'm going to read. I'm going to have a very chill day and I'm super ready for it. So we're going to finish this last assignment, get it knocked out, and then we're going to crawl into bed and read a dang book. Guys, I'm really trying to get back on my vlog cam, but we are currently chilling. We just watched a scary movie, so if you guys did not know, I literally set up a whole freaking scary movie bucket list in my bullet journal to watch scary movies, and I have like a whole list of scary movies that I and my fiance want to watch until Halloween. And then we also made like a fall season bucket list. We are really decking out this season because honestly in Texas we don't get very much fall weather, so we just try to do all the other little festivities that kind of come along with it. So let me show you guys what we just watched. It was really not even that scary. We just watched the first Insidious movie. It wasn't even that bad. It was just like this child that was demonic or something like that. It was not even scary. I'm so tired. Could be my world on fire. Readers, it is Sunday and it is 9/11, so it's kind of a sad day for a lot of people, but I'm gonna be cracking open another cream soda Dr. Pepper. So excited. I love these. Every time I drink one it's like a treat, but I gotta take my meds and I actually have to do that assignment that I said that I was gonna do yesterday because I didn't end up doing it. I ended up getting sidetracked and I did not do it. So let's do that assignment because we need to get that done. Just finished watching Insidious. We're gonna watch Insidious chapter 2 probably later tonight, but let me just say it is freezing in my bedroom and outside it's like 81 degrees, so it's like perfect weather, but the wind is causing it to be kind of chilly outside and I get cold really easily. I'm that kind of person, but I was wearing shorts. I put on a sweatshirt and some flared yoga pants because it is cold. And we have a wall unit AC, and we also have a stand-up fan, so like my room gets extra cold, so like we turned everything off because it just gets too cold in here. So I'm gonna just chill. I don't really know what I'm gonna do next, but I will let you guys know. I'm
lost my mind with you. I know I don't feel the same. I'll never feel the same, 'cause that was yesterday. I know I don't feel the same. I know it always.
So I just put a load of laundry in the washer and I thought of something to do because I haven't done this yet, but it's getting closer to fall, it's getting closer to the winter time. Every day is a step towards that. And here in Texas, it is still kind of warm. It's like 81 degrees today, so it's not like freezing cold, but it's not like blazing hot either. So I decided that I'm gonna rotate my clothes in my closet to wear my more so winter kind of like cardigans and such are at the beginning, and then I still have shirts at the beginning. But I'm gonna go through my sweaters and stuff from like last year and see what I don't want and what I want to keep, and then we are going to go from there.
I'm so tired. Could have been my world.
So I picked out like a ton of sweaters that I don't think I'm gonna wear this winter, and there's like a lot in here. Like I'm gonna have my family go through them, see what they want, and then whatever I don't want and they don't want, I'm gonna sell or probably donate, because I do not feel like taking pictures of everything and just posting it like that. I just want to donate it. So I'm gonna put it in this trash bag now, and that's what we're gonna do. All right, guys, it's been a second. I've just been chilling. I've been trying to figure out like car parts, because if you guys did not know, I actually wrecked my car back in May of 2021. So I'm gonna be getting car parts to fix my car and everything and get it up and running. But I have not even started getting these clothes out of the bag. So I'm gonna take them all off the hangers, and then I'm gonna show them to my grandma, and we're gonna see which one she wants and which ones she wants me to donate. So. Currently 9:29 p.m. He's over here, and I am about to go to bed. I am really tired, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. What the heck is on my chin? We'll figure that out in a sec, okay? I love you guys. I hope everybody has a great night, a great week, and yeah, bye guys.